Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today I have another product a vendor sent me. It's a free product. It is a paid review, and it is a bed rail for folks that are having problems getting in and out of bed for whatever reason that might be. Maybe you're older, maybe you have, just some issues getting in and out of bed. I like them because we live full-time in an RV. And in our RV, I'm just going to flip this phone down here, RV beds have very little room on the sides of the bed. So you really can't get off on the side of the bed. You have to come all the way down. Now there's a curtain drawn across there. But you have to use your core to get up and out of bed. So I like putting a bed rail right over here on the side of the bed. It's very easy, very hard to do that with my finger. Put a bed rail right over here that I can grab onto and pull myself out. And it doesn't matter how old you are. That's kind of cool to do. And I'm going to show you right now. So let's put a bed rail together, shall we? Now, one of the things that you can do is this strap goes under here and attaches to what's underneath the mattress to the other side of the bed to hold that in really firmly. But if you have a heavy mattress, you probably don't even need the strap. This is in there really, really good. Go out and get your bed rail today. If you're a person that's having a hard time getting in and out of bed, this is a really, really good solution. Why struggle? Get yourself a bed rail.